Hey, what's up? It's Jared with State of Tech. Today we're going to take a look at Apple Watch straps from UAG. Urban Armor Gear makes some fantastic products. I'm definitely a fan of their cases for smartphones. I've had a variety of them for iPhones and also the different Android phones that I've used over time. But the Apple Watch straps are really nice, have a premium feel, and we're going to take a look at 4 of the different styles that they have available today. Now, the one that I have on right now is the Civilian series. It has a silicone feel to it, has some color inlays with the orange, which, you know, I had a thing for the color orange when I was in high school, not really too sure why, but I do like having a little bit of orange in there, just, you know, a little reminiscent of wearing a lot of orange when I was in high school. But nonetheless, it has a good feel to it. It's nice, not bulky, but also durable and has a bit of a thickness to it here. If you look at it, it has a kind of a grid here, maybe like a honeycomb style grid. It actually feels really nice, and it's somewhat moisture wicking as well. So if I wear this to the gym, or I'm more active, or if I'm sweating a little bit, I don't feel, this doesn't feel gummy to me like some silicone bands do, which I really like. So I enjoy this band. It's probably the one that I use the most out of these 4 different styles, and so I wanted to talk about it first. So let's move on to this one here. This is a canvas style, the Nato Strap. We're going to go ahead and just move those boxes out of the way. The Nato Strap has a very nice canvas feel to it. There was a little period of time where I was really digging canvas watch straps, and so this watch strap definitely has a nice feel, much more premium than the canvas watch strap that I was using before, which was from a lower end brand that I won't mention. But this has a really good feel to it. What I like about canvas is that it can be comfortable. This watch band is a little rigid right now, being brand new, but canvas wears in really nicely and then can feel kind of comfortable, but at the same time also be not only durable, but also moisture wicking, and it cleans really easily. So you can wash a strap like this really easily and not have it like discolor much or really degrade in quality. And so I like this strap for that canvas style straps. Now, of course, I'm wearing this one for the first time right now. What I do like about it is that the size, I mean, this can handle a person with a pretty good sized wrist. I've got a pretty good sized wrist, and there's lots of room to grow. I love that it has 2 carriers here to slip the strap through, so it's not flapping around. My last strap had a little bit of that, and I even considered cutting it off. I knew it would fray if I did that, but I thought about it because there was just so much extra. And then, of course, these kind of lay flat here, so they're out of the way. I do really like this. I actually love how it connects here. It looks good with my watch, and it looks industrial and strong, while at the same time maintaining a nice shape. It adds a little bit of squareness to the watch too, which I kind of like. So this strap definitely is one that I'm going to be wearing more often, just because, yeah, I just like the style of it. And once it starts to wear in, it's just going to feel even better. So let's move along to the Scout Series strap, which is another silicone style strap, pretty reminiscent here of the first one that we looked at as far as the style and the feel, but there are some differences here. So we'll slide that in. One thing that I'm finding very consistent with these straps is just how well they slide into the body of the Apple Watch. You can see here now we have kind of a grooved style inlay here, which is going to be nice for keeping that that coolness where your watch comes in contact with your skin, moisture wicking, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so I really like the feel of this one so far, even just putting it on. It has a little bit of kind of a concave in here, which I like. So it makes it seem a little bit more minimal than this Civilian series, which is a little bit thicker. But I do like this strap. Very just blacked out. So if you have a black watch, I think you're probably really going to like this one, because it looks really good, just solid black all the way around. A nice clasp made out of, you know, some really heavy duty plastic. It's probably better than plastic, like a polycarbonate or something like that. Really nice. I definitely like this strap, but I do like the orange inlays of the Civilian series. Now, for those of you that need to go maybe a little bit more professional with a leather strap, their Leather Series strap adds just a nice durable, kind of rugged look while also giving you the leather look that you're wanting. So what I like about this is that this leather is durable. It's not like some of those cheap faux leathers that you're going to find with other companies. This is going to hold up. I've had enough leather phone cases and leather watch straps in the past to know, just even by touching and looking at them, what's going to last and what's not. I like the way that it looks looking down at the watch with kind of a little bit more of a square look to it. The leather, how it's kind of embossed with the logo here, and the stitching along the sides with the black clasp. Another thing that's a nice touch is there's actually a snap here to hold that in place so it's not slipping and sliding all around, letting the edge or the end of your watch strap kind of flap around. That's going to hold it in place there, which is really just a nice touch, really nice feature there that you can snap that in and boom, you are locked in. I don't know what I'm saying that keeps activating Siri, but I seem to be activating it every 2 seconds. So I really like this strap. Definitely has a different look in comparison to the other ones with the leather color. It is kind of a medium as far as leathers go. You know, kind of a more lighter washed leather tends to be, you know, a cleaner look, but darker leather just has kind of a nice rugged, maybe a little bit more manly of a look, I guess you could say. I hate saying it that way, but it really is that look. So I like this strap as well. It's very comfortable. It's easy to take off, even with that additional little button snap there that helps the strap from slipping around. Inside of the watch definitely feels really nice. You've got the stitching here, which isn't going to rub on you. Everything is nice and inlaid, so you're not going to have any irritation. And I just overall really like this. Is probably one of the nicest leather watch bands that I have had from a manufacturer. You can have some custom-made ones that tend to be pretty nice. You know, somebody takes the time to really hand craft one of these leather straps. But this is probably the nicest strap that I've seen that comes straight from a manufacturer. Definitely durable, high quality, and this is going to last you a long time. So of the Urban Armor watch bands, I could see a need for all 4 of these in different aspects of my life, which is why I think they created them in this 4-part series. We've got the Civilian series, which is, you know, you're just out on the town, just, you know, you need a watch. Maybe you end up running or jogging or something, and you want something that kind of has both the casual and also the elements of fitness if you need to. And you have the Nato Strap, which has a canvas finish, a nice look and feel to it. Definitely very durable and a watch band that you're not going to have to worry about in all of the different elements. You then have the Scout series, which is nice and kind of blacked out, a little bit more minimal than the Civilian series, but definitely has nice moisture wicking capabilities and just a nice overall feel. Then to follow it up at the end, we have the Leather Strap, which has a little bit more of a classic design and style to it while still maintaining the rugged aspects of the UAG series watch bands that we've been looking at so far. So nice watch bands. I've got links to all of them down in the description below for you to check out. Of course, there are some different options available as well, and styles do change, so make sure to check out that link. You'll want to make sure to check out the Apple Watch tips and tricks videos that I put out a little while back. They're definitely going to help you better use and utilize your Apple Watch when you have all these beautiful watch straps attached to it and you're wearing it on your wrist. So that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks so much for being here, and hope to see you back in the next State of Tech video. Take care.